The important points are sleep, high yield, main neurotransmitter of rapid eye movement. Sleep is acetylcholine, which increases during rapid eye movement. And the main neurotransmitter of non-rapid eye movement is serotonin more than GABA. Rapid eye movement sleep center is locus coeruleus, which is pons, which is in pons, and non-rapid eye movement sleep center is raphe nucleus. Non-rapid eye raphe nucleus and neurotransmitter is serotonin. In rapid eye movement sleep, acetylcholine and is in pons. Spinal cord hygiene. Dura matter extend up to S2. Arachnoid matter extend up to S2. Pia matter extend up to tip of coccyx. In adults, spinal cord ends at conus medullaris L1 level. Phylum terminale internum. Extension of pia matter ends at S2 level. Coccygeal ligament filamenter phylum terminale externum starts from S2 and ends at coccyx, which is called coccygeal ligament or phylum terminale externum. Coccygeal segment of spinal cord lies at L1 level. Coccygeal segment of spinal cord lies at level L1. So the next topic is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin high yield points are hemoglobin synthesis starts in proerythroblast and early normoblast. Hemoglobin is not visible in proerythroblast and early normoblast. Hemoglobin first appears in intermediate normoblast. Nucleus is extruded from late normoblast within the bone marrow, that is, first disappear in late normoblast. In reticulocyte, nucleus is absent and hemoglobin is in amount of mature red blood cells. Next topic is sperms high yield. Total sperms produced by two testes per day is 120 million. Total sperm per ejaculation is 400 million per ejaculate or 120 million per ml. Formation of primary spermatocyte begin at puberty. Head part of spermatozoa is formed by nucleus. Acrosomal cap of spermatozoa is formed by Golgi body. Spermiogenesis is formation of spermatozoa from spermatids and stimulated by FSH. Infertile male has sperm count less than 20 million per ml. Next point is axial filament and tail of sperm is formed by centrosome and centriole. Axial filament and tail of sperm is formed by centrosome and centriole. Spermatogenesis is completed in 64 days. Spermatogenesis is completed in 64 days. Sperms has capacity to fertilize ovum up till 48 hours. 48 hours. Length of fully mature sperm is 50 micron. Length of fully mature sperm is 50 micron. The next topic is ovum hygiene. I repeat in two times, second time, so we memorize it. So the points related to ovum. At ovulation, ovum is at which stage of meiosis? At ovulation, ovum is at which stage of meiosis? Metaphase of meiosis 2. Metaphase of meiosis 2. The next is primary oocyte remains dormant for 12 to 40 years. 12 to 40 years. At the time of ovulation, ovum is secondary oocyte. At the time of ovulation, ovum is secondary oocyte. At fifth month of intrauterine life, there are 7 million eggs, which is maximum in number. So fifth month of intrauterine life, there is maximum number of eggs, which are 7 million. At puberty, there are 40,000 primary oocytes. 40,000 primary oocyte. Female ovulate for 480 eggs during reproductive life. All primary oocytes are formed at fifth month of intrauterine life. Secondary oocyte complete its secondary meiotic division at time of fertilization after ovulation. So at ovulation, ovum is at which stage? Metaphase of meiosis 2. And secondary oocyte completes its secondary meiotic division at time of fertilization. So first meiotic division is completed before ovulation. Germinal epithelium of ovary is simple cuboidal. Simple cuboidal. Oocyte present in ovary at birth are 4 lakhs. The next point is zona pellucida is seen in primary follicle. Ovulation takes place from Graafian follicle. Primary oocyte forms 1 ovum. Primary spermatocyte forms 4 spermatozoa. In ovum at ovulation, second meiotic division is in progress. Secondary oocyte is 150 microns size. Secondary oocyte size is 150 microns length. Ovum remains viable up to 12 to 24 hours. 12 to 24 hours, ovum remains viable. Corpus luteum of menstruation remain active till 2 weeks. Till 2 weeks. Corpus luteum of pregnancy remain active till 3 months. So corpus luteum of menstruation remain active till 2 weeks and corpus luteum of pregnancy remain active till 3 months or first trimester. Okay, corpus luteum is formed by luteinizing hormone LH and maintained by human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG. Corpus luteum is formed by LH and maintained by HCG. Next topic is perforation of abdominal viscera. Perforation of interior wall of duodenum, leakage of contents to greater sac. Perforation of interior wall of duodenum, leakage of contents to greater sac, right paracolic gutter and right iliac fossa. Perforation of posterior wall duodenum, massive bleeding due to perforation of gastroduodenal artery. Perforation of posterior wall of stomach, damage to splenic artery. Okay, perforation of posterior wall of stomach, damage to splenic artery because its pathway is behind the stomach. So perforation of posterior wall of stomach, damage to splenic artery, and leakage of contents to lesser sac. So what's the point? Perforation of interior wall of duodenum होगा तो content goes into greater sac. And if perforation of posterior wall of duodenum होगा तो कौन सी artery damage होगी? Gastroduodenal artery. And in case of stomach, perforation of posterior wall of stomach, damage to splenic artery, and content goes into lesser sac. And next point is some movements of lower limb often tested in exam. So we are just jumping lower limb points. Abduction. Abduction of hip joint limited by pubofemoral ligament. Limited by pubofemoral ligament. Abduction. Extension of hip joint limited by iliofemoral ligament. Abduction is limited by pubofemoral ligament and extension is limited by iliofemoral ligament, right? Flexion of hip joint with knee extension is limited by hamstring muscle. Flexion of hip joint with knee extended is limited by hamstring muscle, which are the back of the thigh. Right in the back of the thigh. So the next point is flexion of hip joint with knee flexed is limited by flexion of hip joint with knee flexed is limited by interior abdominal wall. Next topic is different receptors. So fast adaptations ऑप्शन में आए Pacinians, more than Meissner, more than Michel's disc, more than Hare and more than Cruci, more than baroreceptors. PMM तो शुरू में आएगा, ठीक है। फास्ट एडॉप्टेशन सबसे ज्यादा किसमें होती है? पेसिमियन में, फिर मीजनर, फिर मिकल्स डिस्क, फिर आगे आपने याद करना है, जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट। पेसिमियन में क्या है? डिटेक्ट्स हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी वाइब्रेशन। पेसिमियन कार्पसल क्या करते हैं? डिटेक्ट हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी वाइब्रेशन 80 to 400 हर्ट्ज। मीजनर डिटेक्ट्स लो फ्रीक्वेंसी वाइब्रेशन 2 to 40. Okay, so ECG high yield points are hypoglycemia, hypokalemia, hypocalcemia, and hypothermia. Causes increased QT interval. Most prominent feature of hypokalemia is U wave. Normal ECG not record electrical activity of SA node. Most specific finding of pericarditis is PR depression. PR depression. PR depression. Okay. So PR depression is the most specific finding about pericarditis. ECG changes can be seen in the following condition except sleep. Absent P waves on ECG occurs in nodal rhythm. U wave can also occur in slow repolarization of papillary muscle. U wave is a तुमने पढ़ा hypokalemia and the other cause is slow repolarization of papillary muscle. Side of the appearance on ECG is atrial flutter. P wave absent or pulse deficit. Atrial fibrillation. Lead V1 to V4 ST segment elevation is interior wall MI. Lead to 3 AVF ST elevation is inferior wall MI. Time taken by the impulse to travel from endocardium to epicardium is QRS complex. Atrial repolarization is visible on ECG in complete or third degree heart block. The ECG shows prolonged PR interval without any other finding in first degree AV block. ECG of a patient shows progressively increasing PR interval followed by dropped beat. It is Mobius type 1 block. Atrial rate is greater than ventricular rate in both second and third degree heart block. Absent P waves on ECG. Pacemaker is in AV node. P wave atrial depolarization. Q wave septal depolarization. R wave early ventricular depolarization potential traveling to apex of ventricles. S wave is late ventricular depolarization potential traveling to base of ventricles. T ventricular repolarization. U wave delayed repolarization of Purkinje system or papillary muscles. SA node high yield points. SA node has lowest pre-polarization action potential. Lowest pre-polarization action potential. Pacemaker activity of SA node is because of sodium channels, which is also called funny channels. Action potential of cardiac muscle is because of sodium channels, and action potential of pacemaker is because of calcium channels. The true phase of cardiac muscle is because of influx of calcium and efflux of potassium. Vagus nerve decrease heart rate through potassium channels. Vagus nerve decrease heart rate through potassium channels. SA node acts as a pacemaker because it generates impulses at a faster rate. Phase 4 depolarization is because of funny sodium channels. Pacemaker activity. Sequence SA node, AV node, bundle of His Purkinje system. Speed of conduction is greater in Purkinje fiber system than bundle of His and atria ventricles, AV node, SA node. Sorry, here is a mistake. The speed of conduction is like Purkinje fibers more than bundle of His, more than atria, more than ventricle, more than SA node and more than AV node. AV node में सबसे कम होगा, ठीक है? Conduction velocity is highest in Purkinje and lowest in AV node. Sorry. Okay. So enough for this video. Then we discuss the next part in the next video. Okay. Take care.